Okay, y'all, I am so excited. It has been kind of dreary weather for us here in Houston these last few days. So we've had to turn on the AC. We've had some hot weather, but I have discovered Erin and I discovered her website, floret.flowers.com, and then I discovered her book. And I have been devouring this the last, by the fire, perfect morning, fireplace going, coffee in hand, reading a book about flowers. And the pictures are gorgeous, gorgeous. So I would highly encourage any of my flower friends out there, because I know a few of you are seriously into flowers. I won't name names to the couple who love flowers, but go and check out her website, floret.flowers.com, because it's just, the pictures are beautiful. So, and then I will link below, she has one YouTube video. So there's one video that just shows their farm. So, I don't know. I just think it's so pretty and I just love it. And if you are looking for just a wonderful coffee table book, a book to just read, I highly encourage you to go and get the Cut Flower Garden from the Floret's farm. Oh, I also got the calendar, which is super pretty. So my husband surprised me and got me the calendar as well. That wasn't even on my wish list, and I think it's on sale right now because it's February. But so here, and it is just, it's gorgeous. So I can't wait to write. Look at that. Oh, I love it. So I can't wait to just go through. I'm actually going to use this as my garden calendar to go and write when things start blooming in my yard, to hopefully keep track of that and go back and see when to plant things and when they're coming up so I can start using them. So at first when he got it, I was kind of I don't need a calendar, I already have a calendar. And then I opened it up and I'm oh, thank you for buying me this calendar. It's really pretty. So I love it. So I'll put the links below in case you want something beautiful to just look at all the time, especially if you're someplace where it's not warm yet. So anyhow, thanks for joining me. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video. Bye.